Now, how to handle semi-structured data. Picture receiving packages of different shapes that still carry labels to identify their contents. Just like this, the different shapes here we have semi-structured data like JSON or XML works the same way. It has flexible formats but recognizable fields. In Databricks, tools like Autoloader infer and evolve schemas, while schema enforcement ensures incompatible records don't enter pipelines. This approach makes ingestion reliable, scalable, and ready for analytics in Delta tables. Let's meet in our next lecture.